Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me a pretty good question. If they have a line that they just draw manually, the rotation is not there. And then if you want to make a rectangle off that line, you can do this right here just by letting go and then holding down. The only problem with that, and that's great, you don't know what size this rectangle is. Now, there's really no way other to do it. So if we draw a line and we click on it and move the rotation to here, and we'll rotate it a negative 45 degrees. We know that that line is at 45. And you can see I did that one, and then this one is not 45. So now what you can do is take a normal rectangle, make it whatever size you want, and rotate it 45 degrees. And then it will match up with that line, and you know what size it is. And if you have snap to on, it'll snap right to it. Now, that's all and good, and let's just took this back to 0, and let's make this a certain size. With my ratio unlocked, I'm going to go 7 by 2 or 5 by 2. So I got a 5 by 2 rectangle, and I'm going to rotate it 40. We don't know what that angle is. So the other way to do it, well, you could take this right here and double click on it and move the rotation mark to that node and grab that node right there. It's actually skewing it because I kind of messed it up. Because you need to be pretty close to that line to adjust it. So I'm a little bit off. So let's get back to the pick tool and put that back. So now that is at that angle. The other way you can do it is figure out what this angle is. And Corel provides a pretty good tool called the angle dimension tool, but we use a 2-point line first while holding down the control button. The control button is going to make it stay on that path. And then we're going to use the angular dimension tool and go right there to that node and go right on the line and then go up, and it'll snap to, whoop, I guess I didn't press the button. And it is 37.75 degrees. So now you can make that, let's make it that same thing, that 5 by 2. I'm doing this because I have the ratio unlocked. And I can rotate this 37.75. 37.75. And now, let me take away the angle dimension. It's a pretty cool, valuable tool. I use it all the time. And if you have Snap to Object on, it'll snap to, and your Snap to is right up here. And I've got Snap to Object on, Snap to Page, and Snap to Guideline. That way you can do that angle, and you know what it is. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.